Pizza time. Peanut.
That was weird. We saved the world.
Invincible world.
Let's go back down to the Oh no.
The pizza man's coming.
I got y'all.
Which run, Bochacho?
I died.
Oh!
The monster's right here. Oh, don't go up, don't go up, don't go up, don't go up. I'm on the back. Why would you fall? What's that do?
I'm falling off the thing. What do you mean?
Coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. Oh my goodness, I hit the button at the last
I died. My arm hurts. Pizza tower.
I did not see the monster.
Let's summon
What's coming?
Pizza Face and let's go to
Oh!
Pizza guy?
Oh!
No, not the pizza guy.
Oh my goodness.
Again.
Is the monster still in there?
Go, what do we do?
Is the monster in there?
Where's the pizza? What map are we going? We're going there. Seriously?
I despawned the monster. Bro, kill the monster. Stop.
Where do we go? Where?
Area 51, we were supposed to do that, but
Area 51?
Alright, come on, let's go.
My arm hurts.
Alright, go.
Stop! What are you doing?
Area 51, let's go. Wait, Area 51 is not the map.
Yo, Pizza Face is still here.
Oh no.
Where did we go? Where did we go? Come on. What are we doing? Oh my god.
Go in the area 51. Somebody either just spawn there or go in the area 51. Go in the area 51. Go in the area 51. That's really give us some distance. Did you die? DJ, did you die? Oh, the monster's coming out, monster. Oh no! Oh, help me! I have 2 monsters on me. We got 1 monster. Help me! I'm being chased by 3 monsters. DJ, help me! DJ, help me! DJ, help me! Oh, I can't hear
It's supposed to be a
anything.
fun thing,
Just help me.
but no. Okay, it's not gonna summon.
I need help.
Yeah.
I'm dead.
Okay,
Ah.
okay, chill. He's not gonna summon.
What map are you in?
I don't care. I want him dead.
I want you dead.
I hope you die.
Yeah, you might
I
want to
hope
come
you
out
kill
of
yourself.
Nah, you're not gonna kill me.
Oh my goodness,
I said I hope
Where are
you
you?
kill yourself.
I'm outside of some.
Okay,
No,
bro.
why?
You know I'm recording, right? Wait. You don't know. Wait.
What is
You
happening?
didn't know.
Apple. Apple stuck. Oh, never mind.
Who's Apple?
I mean, wait. Actually, you can tell by my name. That's why. I think
DJ, where are you?
I'm here. My hand's up.
Where?
My hand is high. Bro, I'm not. I'm outside of stump. I'm in forest.
Don't forget that I'm
Oh.
recording. You're not gonna die.
Watch this.
Yo, we-
Oh my god.
Oh, never mind. It's too late to go back.
Let's do it.
Oh.
Do it.
I'm
Just
funny,
do
dude.
it.
I might seem like the best.
It doesn't matter, dude. Just do it.
Oh my, bro.
Yo, that dude's cooked. That dude is cooked.
Wait, where's
That dude is cooked. I'm going back. Okay, somebody go.
What? I didn't even see him.
Brody.
Yo, Tozo. You have any chicken? Where's Tozo? You have any chicken?
What?
It's
Fuck,
under
get to
us.
like play this game. I'm Jimmy, Bobby. I'm Jimmy, Bobby.
Here y'all gonna run it for your life.
Oh.
Tozo, Tozo. Where's
No,
the chicken?
don't summon pizza.
I don't have any chicken.
No.
How do you not have any chicken?
Fine, I won't summon
Why?
him.
You go.
Bro, I actually want some chicken.
Let Jimmy Bobby do the
Hey, I got
honors.
Takis though. I got Takis.
Jimmy Bobby did the honors.
What? I can't hear you.
He's coming.
Oh my god!
I got you, Suga. Keep running, keep going. No, I don't got you no more. I don't got you no more. I'm dead myself. Oh, never mind. We alive. We still alive.
We still live. We still live.
Yeah, we still alive. We still
We still
alive.
live. though. We still live. We still.
My Oculus broke.
We live in my community.
The game's working.
Oh, I'm dead.
fine
Never
now.
mind.
Still alive. We
Man, I'm dead. Man, I'm dead. Man, I'm dead.
Man, I'm dead.
Man, I'm dead.
Uh-uh.
Man, I'm dead.
Get the fuck up here.
Alright, go
Come on,
Fields.
come here.
Let Jimmy Bobby do the honors.
Why would y'all spawn it? Why would y'all spawn? Oh, no. Despawn it. Still
He was right after me,
alive,
bro.
it's still alive.
Still stretched.
It's still alive. Wait, what happened to Tozo? Oh, Apple. I didn't even notice that was you. Hey, Apple. Yo, Apple, can you
Lucy's
talk?
coming for you.
No.
Yo, Block, Lucy's coming
You
for
said
you.
no? Tozo. Or not Tozo. Why do I keep saying Apple?
I keep transponding.
Oh,
He's
nah,
right there.
bro.
You guys know
Nah.
he's right there. No, don't. What if he spawns him
window.
and he's gonna be right there? Yeah, because I saw him spawn. Right.
Wordy word,
Come
word,
here.
word, word. Wordy word, word, the word that you word, the word that you
Hey,
twerk the word.
Turk the word.
Yeah.
Yo, what is that cosmetic? Why do you have a thread made out of Lucy?
Yo, where are you at,
It's
CJ?
ask the Homo sapien.
Where? Oh. Yo, where are you? No, wait for
You
me.
gotta ask the owner for it.
Go get who?
We are the masters. We
I'm
are
coming
the
with
masters.
you. I don't want to come with you no more, CJ.
We are the masters.
Why would I?
We are the
Did you
masters.
come?
Oh my God.
CJ, look at me with a straight face. Don't look at me with a straight face. Man, I'm dead. Yeah.
That man's dead. That man is dead. Oh, we can't
Oh
go
my
to
god.
You found out.
The monster
Yo, I
was
saw
in
his
city.
head pop
The
into
monster was in
fucking
city.
ceiling.
The monster was in city.
Yeah, I was out here. I saw his head pop into
Bro, I saw like a flash in city. I went to go look at city, and that thing started chasing me.
in city.
Yeah.
It was in city, but like, hey, bro, it didn't have to start chasing me.
Go get the monster. So.
I'll give anybody a free McNugget. If you jump down, I'll give you a free McNugget. A singular McNugget.
What? Why do you keep spawning him now?
Oh, I'm dead, man. I'm dead, man. I'm dead, man. I'm dead, man. I'm dead.
Yeah, you keep doing that. You keep doing that.
You didn't, dude. You whoever's
Holy
getting
noise
over
pollution, dude.
McDonald's
Oh my
chicken
God.
nugget. I think you got traded to the chicken nugget, bro. Yeah. We are the masters.
Yo, who wants a free McDonald's chicken nugget?
I'm right here.
We are the masters. We are the masters.
Oh.
Bit angry.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Yo, someone got tickled. What thing
Guys,
gets
what
you
map
are?
are y'all in?
Forest. We're in forest. Oh, made him see it. This is the guys.
You jumped out soon.
Yeah, who spawned it in? You guys seen my
jumped out.
McDonald injury?
Andrew Dingus. Andrew Dingus.
My dog was kind of angry.
Yo! He's invincible, bro. No, he's not. He's not invincible.
What the? Guys, my dog just joined us the first thing I hear. Walked and got angry.
Oh my God. Bro, gorilla, bro, you bro, you bro, yeah, you bro.
Yeah, yeah, you bro, bro, you bro. Yo, yo, bro.
Bro, you bro. You gotta change your name, bro.
I'm right behind you.
Enrique, Enrique, Enrique.
Like, bro.
I'm trying to get up.
Hey guys, we are the masters.
Oh, no, it's getting up.
What does sign say?
I'm going on
Bro, I
top.
didn't do anything, bro.
Guys.
What are you doing, bro? Like, bro.
No,
Will that blue guy really kill me?
Yeah, if you go near the signs, it will kill you. It will grab you into this like dimension.
No, it won't. It won't kill you. What are you talking about?
No. Whoa, whoa, it'll grab you and put you into
I'm
a
dead, bro.
dimension.
I'm dead.
Just don't go closer though.
Bro, I fell.
Ice cream for ice cream. How about that?
Just a little
Like, bro.
bit. Just
No, don't go close, bro. Don't go close. Don't.
Why you go to mountains?
Homie.
We going to mountains then? Go to mountains.
Mountains?
Like, bro.
Bro, I got a cramp. I got a cramp.
Yeah, let's go to mountains.
Yeah, let's try to go to
If
mountains.
you'll kill you, then how
I'll
you
go first.
Like, bro. Bro. Are we serious, bro?
break you, honey bun? Oh, he's out there. That's why I don't want to go. I would probably blueberry.
Bro, I've never ran that fast.
Oh, they changed the color. Could have a radioactive reaction to this.
Oh,
Oh, they fixed the
That
siding.
doggy. Remember?
Oh my god.
Like, bro.
No! Oh my god.
Like, bro.
he was good.
I heard it scream. I heard that thing scream in that window.
Bro.
I'm naming the blue monster the Blueberry.
I heard it scream in the window.
Bro.
I'm close to the crack.
Like, bro.
Close to the crack. Bro, I'm close to the crack. I'm almost died, bro. I'm so scared.
Like, bro.
Bro, I tried moving backwards. I'm close to the crack.
I was about to jump, bro. Start running from it. And then you just like, oh.
Oh my
No,
god.
bro, he literally came up and like tried biting my nose, bro.
Like, bro. Like, bro.
Are you sure when you're
Like,
shorter?
bro.
Blueberries.
Bro.
Bro came up and
Like, bro.
tried to start biting your
We
Hey,
nail.
are the
oh,
masters.
what?
We are the masters here.
He came
Yo,
up and
no, don't
started
fuck it.
biting your nails. What are you
do it.
talking about?
What's
We are the
what? What?
masters. We are the masters here.
Oh, nah.
He said the monster came up and started biting your nails.
I give you a treat.
Behind us. Oh no, I'm dead.
Oh, man, I'm dead.
You got you.
Yeah, if you spawn Pizza Face, you're officially a weirdo.
Hey, when I'm getting chased, I be moving fluid. I'm like butter going against the speed.
Yeah, you have like a small inertia.
Who's doing that, bro?
Adrenaline
What?
rush.
Stop
Adrenaline rush?
embarrassing yourself.
It predicts everything.
Holy.
Your brain does not
Holy
predict
crap.
Mine does.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Predict everything.
Mine does.
What number am I thinking of in my head?
Never give up here.
What
Like,
number
what
are you
was
predicting
that?
I'm thinking of in my head.
Number.
Number? Did you say number? No, it's not a number. No.
We are the masters here.
Oh,
Let's go
Yeah, I
get 'em,
predicted
boys.
that you would say that.
Oh my
Let's
god.
jump
man.
down.
you said number.
We are the masters. We are the masters.
Number is not a number.
Okay,
Try
but
to
we
get
Nothing's basically zero. Oh, I just fell through the crack again. I fell through the crack again.
Damn fucking right.
Oh,
I was afraid. I was almost.
It's on purpose.
I ain't even gonna cap that.
Cause they always fall down there. There's to get on this.
Bruh.
They got on hey, jump right here. Hey, where'd it go? Hey, son, we're over here, son. Over here.
I'm
Well, not many people know me, bro.
Angry sword. Oh my god, I did it, son.
Alright, Sword
I know
Man,
y'all.
I-
Sorry, in my first day playing. Oh my god.
James.
See, my name is
Found your death.
Pearl.
No, what you feel?
No, they should have like a map of like, then they name it OG and Forest. And like, have the
Oh,
original
shit.
monsters
Oh,
in the original
shit.
game.
Oh, shilling. Oh, shilling. Oh, I had to jump down here. Hey. We are the masters. We are the masters.
I'm turning off.
Don't mess with me.
Tiger.
Are you using headphones for your mic? Is so clear, bro. Bro, no way I can fall. No way I can fall, bro.
What?
Hey, bro, you gotta change your name, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
my-
bro, you gotta change your name, bro.
I already
Like,
changed
bro.
it. No, chat.
No, you didn't. You have to
What do you think
completely
the
get rid of
hell
those.
We don't Billy Jean.
Like,
You
bro.
don't get banned. You don't get banned. What are you talking
I asked the disc one that checked it.
about? Like, bro,
Yo, if you want
you
to
don't
get,
banned like
if you
that.
want to get on this, on that platform, you have to
Your name is
jump
Yellow
on
and they're
there.
not even yellow.
He is yellow. What are you talking?
No, it's like orange.
He's not on. Okay, now you're just colorblind.
No, he
bro.
actually is
What do you mean?
green.
Why is your name yellow? But you're not yellow. Man, what do you mean he's not yellow?
I ain't exactly blue, I'm also not exactly
He's the
blue.
color of a lemon and a banana.
You're just
What
talking
are you
too much.
talking about? You're just talking
No,
about.
bananas could be green and black and yellow. Would you label a red banana?
Green.
Did you say? Did you just say what you label the banana as? You label bananas?
Banana as banana. Fuck you.
No,
No,
I
well-
label bananas like
What is this
Bro.
boy talking about?
He's trying to.
I
He's
just
trying to
did.
make gay bananas. He's trying to make bananas that are oranges.
I'm making many bananas. He tried making banana junior,
Yo,
bro.
I just predicted the prediction.
there might be some.
When you I said number and you said number earlier. Think about that.
I
Think
think
about
I'm
that.
dead. I think I'm dead.
No, you're alive.
When you
I
said
forgot it.
what number am I thinking of?
DJ, you mind
I
helping me?
said number.
I'm trying to
I
get
said
chased
number
by
earlier.
monsters.
I just predicted the prediction.
I can't run. I did it.
Are you, yo, bro?
I jumped
bro.
through.
Who said 5?
Me, I did. I said 5.
I'm gonna
I said 5.
I'm gonna raise you real quick.
I said 5. bro.
Raise your hand.
I'm raising my hand. I'm raising my
It's
hand.
me, Tom. It's me, Tom Pearl is asking the question.
My name is Jay. Jada. Jada.
Who are you, bad
Watch
boy?
look around for Jada.
Yeah, I'll give you
That's me.
So you know how you said, what number am I thinking of? And I said number? I predicted the prediction of you saying number, and you said number earlier.
No, I did not. What are you talking about?
Yes, you did. You said
I did not
you
say
don't have
number.
to number
What are you
your bananas.
Blood?
What the
And
fuck
you
am I
just said
talking? I didn't
number.
see
What is
shit.
this dude talking
in my face?
I did not. Nobody, bro. What are you talking about now, bro? Nobody said no number. You said label.
You just said number.
Yeah, you label your bananas for a living, gang.
What do you want?
You cannot be talking, bro.
Bro, I told you, bro. I predicted the prediction, bro.
Bro, you know, nah, bro. Nah, bro. Bro, you're built like a 5 by 0.3 Lego block.
Yo,
Bro. I don't know what you're talking
bro,
about,
bro.
guys, come on, get the coin.
That's not what they're labeled by. They have IDs. Like, bro.
Gang.
Oh, this guy killed.
Did you say bananas have IDs?
I said,
Oh,
like,
heck
everybody.
nah.
Yeah, they do.
have ID number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and
No, they do not.
Yeah,
No,
they don't have
never
an ID
that.
number. They have a cell number. They have
Yes,
a,
they do, bro.
that's a purchase
bro.
number.
Shut up.
Y'all hear that?
Like, bro,
Yo,
where are you,
it's
bro?
just a
Like, bro.
joke.
Gang.
Bro. I said
Hey,
Lego
we're
bricks.
just
When you said I would
around,
look
right?
like a Lego brick,
Hey,
I
hey,
said
hey.
they have IDs.
Hey, bad
Did you say
boy.
what? A Lego brick does not have IDs, bro.
Yes, it does, bro.
They do.
What are you
Like,
talking
bro.
about? No, they do not.
Like,
They
bro.
do not have no
Are you serious, bro?
IDs.
Like, bro.
Alright, bro, stop saying that. Like, bro, stop saying like, bro.
Oh my
It's not so, bro. Bro, it's
First
not
Amendment,
so.
bro. First Amendment, bro.
Gang, you're Kermit the Frog, bro.
Yo,
Sneakers.
Sneakers
I'm
are
not green, bro,
too.
and I'm not made out of cotton.
Bro, you
Bro.
might be. You're not made out of costume. There's a color for it. There's a color. There's a certain kind of color that
I'm not a shade of green, bro.
certain kind of shade of green.
My screen, bro.
Like, bro.
What the?
Like, bro.
Stop trying to talk.
Belong to Jim Henson
What do you-
Motors. 2 ping pong
What do you
balls,
think is in
half
Springfield?
full-
There is some more, but there's more cotton. There's cotton than it might. Don't.
You know what? I'm ready to call them all.
Cotton Mike.
Don't put bananas in my butt.
I think there's cotton in it. There might be cotton in it with
What
a
are the
little bit of
materials to make
fabric.
Kermit the Frog?
You gotta watch a certain fabric. Gotta look for a certain fabric. Yeah, I don't want to hear the materials, bro.
It's
We trying
green
to play a
stretchy
game and here
fleece
you
for
go.
the skin, open scope bone for the sculpt of the head and body,
You say
and
bum
pink pong balls cut in half for the eyes.
You say bum
Also, you need flexible
You say bum
plastic. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn them off. Thank you.
I just say bone
I saw him in front of my eyes.
So, Drop behind your eyes. You're actually wrong. There's no
Yo, why are you tweaking?
bro. Bro, where am I going?
Kumalala.
Like, kumo, kama,
Change your name, bro. Like, bro.
What?
Oh, sure,
Go
bro.
over there, bro.
Like, bro. Are you serious, bro?
Let's go to a different map, guys.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Let's go to my put in the chat, bro. Yep. It's Reba, but I probably want to, bro. Like, bro, we're not going, bro. Hey, what are we going here? Go to me. What? Guys, go, bro. Come on, bro.
I'm here. CJ, where are you? CJ,
Jump right there.
CJ, come here.
Running the map.
Like, bro.
If you jump,
CJ. Stop leaving.
what map are y'all in?
Stop leaving.
Like, bro. Like, come on, bro.
Like, bro, come on. Talk to him,
Don't put
Daniel.
bananas in my butt.
Talk to him, Daniel.
Don't put bananas in my butt.
Daniel, talk
Don't
to
put
him.
bananas in my butt.
Bro, what is he talking about?
Don't put
Bro,
bananas
y'all
in
in
my
Like,
maze?
bro, like, be quiet, bro.
We are the masters.
Like, be quiet, bro. Like,
Talk to him,
be
Daniel.
quiet, bro.
Are you okay?
No, hey, let Daniel talk. Let Daniel talk. Talk, Tiger. Talk.
Like, bro, where you going, bro?
Let Daniel the Tiger tie his shoes down the tie road.
Tie road.
Like, bro,
Bro.
Tom Pearl. I'm Tom Pearl, bro. Like, bro.
Let Tom Pearl live, bro. He's chill.
They're in
He's
here.
chill.
Yo, I know your name.
Bro, I'm chill, bro. Like, bro.
Nah, Tom Pearl chill. Nah, Tom
Like, bro,
Pearl
I'm
chill.
chill, bro.
I do on your footsteps.
He took the
Tom
time to go on
give me a
Google.
tutorial. Give me a tutorial on how to make chocolate chips.
What map are you guys in?
So first you got to
Bro,
take
where we
cookie
going,
dough.
bro? Like,
First you
where
got to
we
take
going?
cookie dough.
He's also a great dentist. He should be
monsters
bro,
behind
where we
me!
going, bro?
The monsters behind me!
Alright, I'll give you
What
a
map are you
tutorial
guys
how
in?
to make chocolate chip cookies.
Like,
What
bro,
map are you guys
bro,
in?
where we
So
going?
first you have to take Hershey
Where we going,
Kisses.
bro?
Bro.
Oh,
To death?
little chica, little chica.
Wrong way.
Oh my god.
This way. Escape, bro. We gotta escape.
Bro, this is
Like, bro, what are we doing, bro?
Yo, Tommy Pro, we just went in a loop, Tommy
Yo,
Pro.
they're in maze. They're in maze. I'll just tell you that right now. They're
Tommy
in
Pro.
maze.
Tommy Pro.
You guys are in
Where you
maze?
going, Tommy Pro?
We're in
Yeah,
Maine.
Like, bro, where we going, bro?
Oh, we're
Just
going
say
down,
it.
Tommy Pro.
What is this?
My
Just
bad, Tommy.
is this grass?
Where we going, bro?
Yo, Tommy Pro, Tommy Pearl, Tommy
No,
Pearl,
is this
Tommy
grass?
Pearl.
Bro,
Oh,
I just saw the
Why am I
bro.
worried about textures?
Don't
Oh, wait, no, we
I
have to
swear,
just-
I hear the dog.
down here.
Isn't
We
there a
weren't,
monster there?
wait, we weren't
No,
down
bro,
here,
you're in
right?
maze, bro. Stop being so scared, you little bitch.
We're going down there.
Were we over here?
Alright, I'm gonna die.
Like,
guys.
bro.
What? What the? Brother, I told you. Skibbity flotties. Bruh. In your way, game. Skibbity flotties. Whew. Ain't no way, bro.
Oh, hold on.
There's a monster in there.
We're going farther away
go.
from her or
Yeah.
closer?
Chica.
we're
I
going
died
further,
by
we're going
Chica,
further.
bro.
Yeah,
Where
she's
is
up
Chica?
here.
You
then.
sure
We
they're in
gotta go
maze,
up
bro?
again. We gotta keep going
Wait.
up
Yes, they are
from
in
up
maze.
there.
Go find
You
him.
can go ask them.
He's
Go
down
ask
there.
them. You can ask them. They're in maze.
Go find
She's
him.
above us.
I know it gets really loud.
Well, I'm charging my VR, so I see.
Did you not see Chica near you?
It's so
Or
loud.
Wither
That is
Chica,
loud.
I meant.
I didn't see no one.
Whoa.
Like, bro.
Exactly.
You gotta
I
keep
swear.
going in. You can't
Over
just
there.
stay
Whoa,
in
whoa,
the
whoa.
front. You gotta keep going.
If I die again,
I can't see.
wait.
You're not gonna die. You're not gonna
Like,
die.
bro.
No, I am.
Where is she?
Never mind. You're
I
right.
told you there's no monster. They
That
going
is so
now.
loud.
All right, let's go then.
Bro.
Let's go then.
On,
Come on.
bro.
Oh, where is
Come on.
she? Oh, where the
Bro.
hell
We're back,
are
bro.
Come on.
Back. We're back, bro.
Oh,
Let's
no,
go.
don't go.
I know where to
That's
go,
the
bro.
move.
Bro,
That's
bro,
the
follow me,
move.
bro.
That's the move.
Rest
Yeah,
in peace, my
Let's go,
grandpa.
guys.
I know where to go, bro.
Rest in peace, my
peace,
Goomba.
my grandma,
He got
she
hit
got
by
hit by a
Optus.
tractor. Rest in peace, my grandma, she got hit by a reactor.
What?
Yo, why is it getting closer?
We're down.
What's that noise?
We're on this level.
Like, bro.
Where's everyone else at, bro?
Yo, everyone,
Elsa.
where are you? Hello?
Hey guys, have y'all ever watched
Ooh.
Frozen?
Ooh.
It's my favorite movie.
Go.
Go
Go.
this way,
Okay.
bro. His mic scared me, bro.
I know, bro. I heard that too. I was like, what the heck was that?
Yo,
Everyone on the you gotta go back.
Y'all were sitting up here, loud.
I was with you guys in Maze earlier.
Don't
but
get the
I was
spider.
like,
Get
He has to be
Chica.
over here.
Disconnected.
Like,
I got so
Here, hold on, let me
scared.
finish.
Oh, that's not it.
Look
That's
at
not it.
spiders.
That's not it.
No,
Don't get it. Just don't get it. Don't get it. Don't get it.
Come on.
Are you sure, bro? Like,
Bro,
bro.
this motherfucker's mic is terrifying.
Somebody go get it.
All you is
I'll give you a singular McChicken.
What's wrong with bro's mic?
I need to clear my throat.
Like, bro. Come on, bro.
Bro, turn on the duty
You gotta
red
go.
light, bro.
No, we're gonna go fight.
Where'd y'all go though? Just
Like, bro,
bro.
they're not here, bro.
Bro, are you a demon from the Exorcist movie or something? What are
Are you
you?
sure, bro?
Y'all were down here the whole time.
Yeah,
Like,
we're
bro,
down
I
here.
gotta leave, bro. Like, are we serious, bro?
Y'all ain't getting
The spider monster down there.
Where's Trevor Leader at? Like, bro, are we serious, bro?
Oh my
Where's he
god.
gone, bro?
Oh my
Stop.
god, you're mine!
Spider.
Like, bro, guys, it's this way, bro.
Where's dude?
This
Mike
way right
is
here, bro.
killed. What
Right
the
here,
heck, bro?
Let's go,
Yo,
bro.
somebody fix that mic, bro.
It's your backpack, blue.
Like, bro, we should go, bro. Like, bro, we should go, bro.
Let's go to Brick.
Like, bro, we should never go in there ever again. Brick maze. Brick maze.
Like, bro, I know where the monster is, bro. Bro, it's down here, bro.
Never mind. I don't want to be this
Monster down here, bro. Like, bro.
Buns.
So they go to the back.
Like, bro, what is that, bro?
What is that?
Bro, what is that?
It's your mom.
Bro, why is it broken? Why is it not broken?
Where'd y'all go?
Where's Trevor Leader, bro?
He's under the ground.
No, I'm joking.
Who's Trevor?
Where you at, bro?
Guys, this
Chicken stars. Wonder how you look like Tom Cruise.
is not that bad.
Like, bro, it's
So
bro.
what?
Apple, bro. Bro, Apple, bro. Where are you, bro? Apple.
Bro, let's go to Spider-Man.
Apple, where are you, bro?
Let's go to Spider with the spiders.
Where'd y'all go?
Apple, bro. Apple, bro.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Go, bro.
Alright, listen. Let's make another vote.
Go
Let's make another vote. Let's make another vote. Alright, raise your hand if you want to say something.
Cave.
Alright, you want to go to caves?
Yellow
Bro,
cave.
bro, whose mic?
Alright, whoever
Cave.
Alright, does everybody
Let's
agree to
go.
go to caves?
Like,
Does
bro,
everybody
whose
agree to
mic
go to
is
caves?
that?
Alright, let's go. Let's
Gang,
go, bro.
whose mic is that? They're like,
I crave the cave.
Yellow looks like Tom Cruise.
I crave the
sound like a
cave.
head crack from Half-Life 2.
Roll to the barn.
Apple, let's go.
Mine's.
Turn your mic off, bro.
Don't die though. Try not to die.
Try not to die.
Alright, come over here. Come over here.
Diarrhea.
Don't put bananas in my
Yellow
It was
looks like
just-
Tom Cruise. Diarrhea.
Don't put bananas in my butt. Don't put bananas in my butt.
Ooh, no.
I said no bananas.
Yo, my shorts, my shorts.
I told you one more time.
Put it in my
Not a banana door.
Dial tone? Delta ray?
Alright, let's go to mines. Go to mines. Alright, everybody go to mines. Right mines. This one.
Like, bro, where's the monster?
This one.
I think she's...
Alright,
I think
3,
she's, Edward.
2, 1, go.
Yeah, looks like Tom Pearl's diarrhea.
Oh my.
Yo, looks like Tom
no.
Pearl's diarrhea.
This is this fucking music is so scary, bro. I know.
Dude, this music
Come on,
sucks.
CJ, you got us
Put,
right.
put it on candy music with
Like,
that
bro,
music in it,
the
bro.
monster's after you,
Put,
bro.
put it on candy
You
video
guys
with the
down
music
there,
in it.
bro,
Slime
better
down.
run, bro. If you don't know how to run, bro, you're dead, bro.
Right there.
What? This boy.
What? Try not to die. I mean, I already died. He just no clipped it. Yo, caves might be. I don't know if someone could survive in that. Trap house, nah, trap cave, bro. Come on, join. Let's go.
Let's leave,
Who
bro.
are you?
I
bro?
don't want to get trained.
Canyon's
bro,
got
you're
you,
serving
right? Canyon's
Let's go,
next,
bro.
Yo,
right?
wait, can
Let's go,
you-
bro. Bro, let's
Yo,
go.
like my
Still
Lucy?
has Lucy kissing him, bro.
Yeah, no, bro, this is my, bro, this is my pet.
Guys, be careful, bro.
This is
Bro,
my
there's a
pet.
monster that flies down, bro. Be careful, bro.
This is my pet.
Pipe down, bro.
There's a
Bro,
monster
Lucy's
that's
gonna
down,
scare
bro.
the
Like,
shit
be
on
careful,
me.
bro.
Hey, that's my Lucas, bro. Don't mess with
Huppadoo-da-dee. Hee-da-doo-da-oo.
Yo, CJ, you like my pet?
Huppadoo-da-dee.
Okay, bro. There's a monster.
I can't see because Lucy's in the way.
What is that?
I thought we were the only one in the
Oh my god, no!
Yeah, Lucy.
Guys, bro, run, bro. Bro, guys,
Yeah,
bro.
Lucy, he wants
What?
to kiss.
Let's go to maps now.
Can y'all not
Yeah,
hear
Lucy,
me?
One last we go, bro.
Yo.
Bro, let's go to Area 50.
You hear me?
Like, bro, let's go, bro.
Maps,
Guys, what's your
Nobody
map,
can hear
bro?
you, bro. Nobody can
We
hear
got one
you.
left, bro. Spider Force, bro.
Spider Force, bro.
Could you hear me?
Yo, Spider Force, bro.
Spider Force, bro.
Can
I
you
don't think
hear
Lucy
me?
wants to get off me, bro.
Lucy's
Spider
like
Force,
in
bro.
love.
Spider Force,
I think Lucy likes
Can
me,
you
bro.
hear me?
Lucy's in love.
No, we can't hear you, bro.
Let's go, bro.
Can you hear me?
No.
Let's go, bro.
Did you hear me?
Come on,
Let's go to
bro.
Maze. Let's go back to Maze.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro.
Maze is
Guys, let's go
boring,
back to
bro.
Maze, bro. Like, bro, come on,
This
bro.
is so boring.
Yeah, Maze is so
We didn't
boring,
get anything,
bro.
bro.
Don't be serious.
Guys, let's go, bro. Lock in, bro. Come
Oh,
on, bro.
okay.
Can somebody get Lucy off of me, bro?
Bro,
Lucy
Maze,
like
bro.
you, like, she wanna make out.
Can you hear me?
Like, literally,
Come on, guys, bro.
She's like
Like,
confessing
bro.
all her feelings.
Can you hear me?
bro, I can't see anything past Lucy.
Bro wants to be a stalker.
Crazy,
Lucy's in the
bro.
way.
Yo, we can't hear you, bro. Stop asking.
I might run into a wall. Don't get mad at me.
This is gonna be you with that.
Can you hear me?
Don't get mad at me if I
Like,
run
bro,
into a
let's
wall.
Man, where's third okay, bro?
No, don't go
Like,
down
bro,
the stairs.
Come on,
Bro,
bro.
I see red. I see red. I see red.
Where's the
Yeah,
apple?
see red.
Come back.
My eyes starting to run.
out to the ground. Oh my god.
What? I just jumped in the monster. After this one, I think that's it.
Tom Pro, sacrifice for us. Tom Pro, sacrifice for us. Like, no, bro.
Apples.
Hey, Lucy. Fine, bro.
Sacrifice
I'll go,
for
bro.
us.
I'll go, bro.
Tom Pro.
I don't think Lucy's like that, bro.
Goodbye, bro. See you later, bro. Gotta go, bro.
Goodbye and see you later.
Tom.
This place was not for you to look and see. It's
My
still for
Lucy.
me.
Where Lucy go?
Oh my god,
Yeah,
coming.
bro.
I don't want to work.
Yo, Chica.
Did it work, bro?
God.
We should all jump into her.
Apple.
Don't get
What is that?
Don't do this. Don't get
Why isn't she moving? Hey, man, can you move? Please? Are you...
Ma'am?
Tom Pro, Tom Pro, die.
Why are you in the way? You're in the middle of the hallway.
Like, bro, nothing happened, bro.
You're in the middle of the hallway. Please move.
Yo,
Jeff, die.
yo, when I die, will you move? Hey, that guy, will you move when I die?
Yes, bro, he'll move if he dies. He moved.
Somebody died. Somebody died.
Bro, no Apple to die, bro.
Where you guys at?
What?
Bro, we're in Maze, bro.
Oh, he
Bro,
moved.
nothing happened, bro. Are we serious?
Why is it looking at me?
I wasted my death for nothing, bro. I'm coming on, bro.
What you looking at? You ugly anyways. Yeah, you chop.
Where you guys at, mate?
You chop, bruh.
Like, bro, we're in the very end, bro.
You chop anyways, though. What you looking at me? Chop chin? You popped, bro.
You're not dead. Your arms are moving.
Yeah, you're chopped. You just chopped, bro.
I don't know you guys are.
Like, then you just chopped, bro. Why you looking at me like that, bro?
Apple. His name's Apple.
Apple.
Apple, your server leader. Apple, I remember you. Your server leader, Apple.
Wait, why isn't that moving, though?
Bro. Like, come on, bro.
You're the server leader.
Server leader.
Like, guys, come on, bro. We gotta reset the map, bro. Come on, bro.
I died again. No reason. Wait. Man, I've been recording for a long time. No reason. After this video, I'm just post it. Whew.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on,
We should
Tommy.
just find
Tommy.
pizza face and maze, bro.
Tommy.
Like, come on, bro. Let's
Bro, I
Where's
don't want to
Tommy?
go back to.
Where's Tommy?
Saturday.
Wait, where's Tommy at?
I would have got a spider forest.
Like, bro, y'all
Where's
let me, bro. Come on, bro. Y'all let
Tommy,
me, bro.
where are you?
Bro,
Y'all let
Wait,
me,
what about
bro.
back?
Come on, bro.
Hey, we should
Tommy!
totally go to- We should totally go to
Tommy!
Spider Forest.
Tommy. Tommy.
Come on, bro.
Bro,
Let's not do that again,
forgot
bro.
about his funky day.
Tommy went to go get the thing. Everybody go to GM Big City. Go GM Big City.
I'm gonna wait until I hear you. No, I don't want to go back there.
No, he's getting them. Just go. He's getting the monster again.
I want to go back to GM Big City, boy.
Go in.
Oh my god, I'm not going in. I am not going in there.
There's nothing wrong with it. Remember?
That map is hell. I'm not going back there.
Hey man,
Go. Jesus.
I'm gonna start running. I'm gonna start running.
Why? I never been here.
No
before.
exiting?
Oh, bro,
Oh my god, I fell into
Congratulations, bro.
this
I just saw it.
sewage.
What
It's
the
not here.
hell?
It's not here yet. It's
Oh,
not here yet.
Monster's coming down, bro. We gotta go, bro.
No, it's not, bro. Stop
Don't
trying to
know,
scare
just-
us, you weirdo.
Not a river
Really,
or
bro?
anything, but this thing, whatever. I don't know.
What even is
You
this?
weirdo.
See it.
Have a good distance.
There's a way to go back. You guys know that. We don't have to quit the game.
Trey, what are you
Wow.
watching right now?
Tag me.
Stop with the tomfoolery.
Like, bro is right there, bro. Bro, look up in the air, bro.
Oh, he's coming.
I don't see nothing. What are you talking about?
Oh, I see it. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming
Where-
fast.
where is
Well,
he?
Don't climb up.
What are you? I don't
Climb
see
up,
nothing.
climb
I
up,
just
climb up.
ran.
Forget what I said.
You
Nah,
would
these
start
guys are trying to
flying.
scare us. You guys are playing sick pranks, you weirdo.
Go, 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 go.
What are we
This
running
is the only
from?
like gorilla tag, Garry's
stuck.
mod, transport
Like,
map.
genuinely,
No,
what are
bro.
we running from? There's
Yeah,
nothing.
what are we running from, bro? Stop trying to scare us.
We gotta run,
I
bro.
know.
We're
What,
literally running, bro.
what are we
Bro, stay
running
behind us, bro.
from?
We gotta
We're
go,
running
bro.
from
That's what
This
I'm
is
just
a
saying.
Power plant
I'm
thing.
getting up.
Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming fast.
Ooh, what is ew? Mm.
Look, bro, we stuck, bro.
What is this texture,
Bro, it's right
bro?
behind us, bro.
What and who
Bro,
is
run,
it?
bro.
What in
Guys,
the
run,
green
bro.
fudge?
Right behind
It's a
us,
wall,
bro.
it's a wall.
Look at beat about butt.
It's like a
This
radioactive
way, guys, bro.
thingy.
Come on,
Itty bitty
follow this
boda
guy,
butt.
bro.
Green
Bro,
emerald
it's
J.
right behind us, bro. Don't look back, bro.
Itty bitty boda butt. Green
Bro,
emerald
Oh,
J.
no.
There's nothing back there.
What? Am I the monster or something? What are you running
tag.
from? Am I the
What
monster?
Yeah, my
Trying to
headset's at
scare-
one.
Bro,
They're
what are
just
we...
trying to
guys
scare us. Don't fall for their pranks,
My
guys. They're
headset's
just
at
trying
one.
to scare
My
us.
headset's at one.
Alright.
Like, bro, come on, bro.
Tom,
But
bro.
what? Is
Tom,
there a
bro.
green Twinkie Winker or something?
Oh, no.
Oh,
no,
never
it's a
mind, there is.
Teletubby. It's a Teletubby.
There is. Never mind, there is. My bad. I guess you guys were right, but the first time you weren't.
Yo,
Just gotta say
Wait,
that.
I
me,
remember
bro.
this
Stop
map.
being
There is
so tag-
Teletubby W.
yo, tag me. Tag me. What's up? Yeah, bro, tag me. Real quick.
What the?
DJ,
Yeah, what did you do to Pizza Face, bro? Come on, bro.
Where's
What
he
did you
going?
do?
Tag
leaving.
me.
Yo, I'm
He's
not you
leaving.
guys in.
Leady, weedy,
What?
body,
What
butt.
are you guys
cheapy,
seeing,
deepy,
bro?
dop,
You guys are running from it.
Hey, Lucy,
Green
kidnap him.
emerald J.
Oh, no. Lucy.
Guys, we
Guys,
guys,
Bro, we
what?
survived, bro.
Survived the air, guys. What's up,
No, we
guys?
didn't, bro.
You
It's
just took
coming
the
towards us,
silent
bro.
part out.
We gotta go, bro.
Coming.
This way, bro.
It's not coming. Oh, it's
We
coming.
survived the-
What?
Run, come on,
Bro.
follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me.
Don't follow him. There's nothing coming.
What map you guys in?
GM Big
We're in,
City, GM
um,
Big City.
Let's go, bro.
Small
Come on, bro.
This way, bro.
We gotta run, bro.
Bro.
Nothing's chasing us, so don't guys, don't
But
worry.
who's farting right now, dude? Hey, yeah.
Where are you guys in
Oh
Gmod
my
Big City?
God,
I'm here.
bro.
Tag me,
I
bro.
can't.
Come on, bro. Tag me.
I'm trying to do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Thank you, bro.
Guys. Man, fuck this, bro.
Yo, why does tracking glitch make me go so much slower?
I can't do the glitch.
Down my head.
There should be the Twin Towers somewhere.
Oh my god.
Hey, give me that.
I'll tag you, bro. Yo, where in Gmod Big City are you?
Yeah, give me tag. Give me tag. Give me tag. Give me
Yo,
tag.
we lost
give me
like
tag,
2
give me tag.
people. That's okay, guys.
Like, bro, we
Lucy's
gotta
coming
go,
back
bro.
to touch one of us.
What happened to the pizza?
Like, bro, and who's ever stumped, bro?
Really?
Kill the kill switch. Use
Shut
the
up,
kill
Chris.
switch, bro.
You're good.
Gotta survive, bro. Kill the kill switch, bro. No, bro. Someone's gonna die, bro.
Go up one of these
Down here, bro.
buildings. I say we scale one of these buildings.
Sight, got him.
It's not coming. It's stuck.
Okay, that's where you're good.
It's stuck. It's just stuck in
Wait,
one
did y'all
place.
kill it? Did y'all kill it? Did y'all kill it?
Kill what?
I still see it, bro. I might have to die, bro. Bro, I have to sacrifice, bro. Come on, bro.
What do you mean
Come at me, bro.
sacrifice?
Bro, come at me, bro. I'm
Wait.
done, bro.
What
Damn,
the-
bro.
Yeah, I think I'm just like shut up, leave. I don't want to play this anymore.
Whoa, not yo. Is it just me? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, I'm leaving. Oh no, I'm leaving. Heck no. I don't like that. I was all by myself. Oh my. No. What? There's only 2 people. Yo. Oh no. It's not funny, bro. Yo. Why did everyone leave?
Were you here? Wait, what map were you guys in?
We're GM Big City.
I was looking for you guys everywhere.
Bro, everyone left.
Hmm.
After that, everyone left. No explanation. I feel like something's stinging me. Ow. I'm gonna go get a monster.
Wait, did you hear what they were saying? Did they say like they were gonna get off and like they're gonna get on later?
No, they just left immediately. Yeah, get in here, bro. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna end the recording here.